Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today I will share with you 7 short, heart-touching stories told by Satya Nadella, CEO Microsoft Corporation. Each may change our attitude towards life and make us a better person. Meanwhile, I request you to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you may get timely notification of all of my videos. Looking back, I interviewed my grandmother for part of a research paper I am working on for my psychology class. When I asked her to define success in her own words, she said, "Success is when you look back at your life and the memories make you smile." Love conquered Spain. After I watched my dog run over by a car, I sat on the side of the road holding him and crying. And just before he died, he licked the tears off my face. Togetherness. As my father, my 3 brothers, and 2 sisters stood around my mother's hospital bed, my mother uttered her last coherent words before she died. She simply said, "I feel so loved right now. We should have gotten together like this more often." Affection. I kissed my dad on the forehead as he passed away in a small hospital bed. After 5 seconds he passed, I realized it was the first time I had given him a kiss since I was a little boy. Joy. When I witnessed a 27-year-old cancer patient laughing hysterically at her 2-year-old daughter's antics, I suddenly realized that I must stop complaining about my life and start celebrating it again. Kindness. A boy in a wheelchair saw me desperately struggling on crutches with my broken leg and offered to carry my backpack and books for me. He helped me all the way across campus to my class, and as he was leaving, he said, "I hope you feel better soon." Sharing. I was traveling in Kenya and I met a refugee from Zimbabwe. He said he hadn't eaten anything in over 3 days and looked extremely skinny and unhealthy. Then my friend offered him the rest of the sandwich he was eating. The first thing the man said was, "We can share it." Make it a principle of your life. Celebrate life with gratitude. Thank you very much for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.